So much name calling, so much fucking name calling, brother. So much name calling. Who is the brother boss? Who is the brother boss? Who is the brother boss, guys? I don't know, and I'm not gonna say anything else. I'm not gonna say it, but why would Tamale do that though? Why would he do that though? Why am I gonna just say Alka boss? Why am I fi disrespect the man like that? Why Tamale does a pick choose violence right through? Why? Why are you doing this, Tamale? A Christmas are coming up, bro. Jamaica just suffered such a traumatic event. A hurricane just ravaged Jamaica. Ravaged.
Okay, boom, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. Made upon the beat that can't see. Put on the screen. Dancehall artist Masicka is crying because you know them are celebrating birthday. But Tamale dropped one song called Dirth and gifted him. And the whole world is talking about it. People putting out a comment section where you think about that because people was expecting Masicka to drop one diss track today in response to, you know, Dirth. But him end up drop one love song because I mean a preview to one love song in my drop December 19th. You see what I say? Because you know them that this up climax wicked. Cause you say she you know them not feed her and all these things and Tamale if I give her money, so you don't know the things said. That's why I put that out and not respond to all of the things them. Yeah. Alkaline name get caught cause we know who brought the bosses. It's my say the Marco and Kartel and all of these disrespectful things towards these kids. So this is why you see Tamale still having foot on him neck. You know, I sent him a DM saying beg, please, or say please. Cause you know the fans them as if he ease upon him, you know. He's a master. So just look away, you know, Masicka start the war and we can't manage it because the first song Tamale dropped the control wasn't that diss track. It was just asking, you know, a brother, you know, a brethren, what's up? Why you really a deal with this thing, man? And if I went back on him disrespectful thing and run away. You see what I say? But nevertheless, let's hear a little bit more what Triple X have to say about the situation, you know, crab legs teeth, and then we'll proceed. You see me?
The song is not 6 minutes. Come on, man, Masicka. The song is 5 minutes. The song is 5 minutes and 51 seconds. You gave us 9 seconds worth of silence at the end part. Anyways, the song is not horrible, but I don't think it is a good diss song. I think it's just the diss them, the punch them are way too far and few in between. Too much pregnant pauses in the song between punchline. We're conic because yeah, it might be a punchline, but the punchline and mechanic are very far and few in between. I am going to give this song honestly, me I give it a 5. No pussy thing, no disrespecting. Me I give this a 5. Me I give it a 5, dog. Me can't get. Me I give it a 5, dog. And remember say we are mark hard from the dog, so we can't just start mark hard soft. So no, so me I give it a 5. Yes, it's a song we're having some punch and it's a big song. You know what I believe that Masicka is used? I think Masicka is relying on his flow way too much. He's relying on diction too much in this clash. He might rely upon people hearing exactly what he has to say way too much. He take no risk in the delivery of the song them. You understand? You see, if him take more risk in the song them will be more compacted, and I think that it will be more potent. I feel like I use the fact that him more melodious and harmonious than Tamale because people can hear exactly what I say. I feel like him lean upon that too much. And the people must say them cannot hear Tamale's song, and the people must say, oh, them can't hear Masicka. Yes, we can hear what Masicka say, but Masicka say well heap of tedious stuff like it monotonous, brother. Is that the song is just one monotone. Especially that song they were named Tears. Sorry, Masicka, that was the first song did better, you know. Vain was a much better song. Some don't want to feel like me I take nothing. Vain was a much better song. The song the name Tears, it lasts me couple times. Like me not last, but me not get nothing for it not have no exciting like the part like me not know. It does not launch, bro. I swear to God, bro. You know what I also believe? I also believe that my personal bias towards Masicka is acting against me. I believe that because I expect so much from Masicka, me set the bar to an unsurmountable level where Masicka just now go up to that level. Me honestly feel like Masicka take Tamale too light in other warrior. Me not feel like him take him serious because he's not addressing the points that Tamale is saying. He's just saying what he feels like saying. And that is not how a clash go. Clash is about you have to posture something and then you have to counteract what the other person propose. So whatever the other person propose towards you, you have to counteract it. You can't just say fuck it. So what if you say that and then say something else? That is tracing. Understand what I say? If you just say their things and the other person does say their things, that is tracing. Clashing is somebody saying something, you answering the somebody and then you purporting something else, and then the person answer you and then purport something else to you. You understand me? I say that is what clashing is. Zin, somebody say enough things in counteract a few things, but the most salient points in glaze over them. The fact say you can't go back up on your live, him just glaze over that. Zin, when the part about him baby mother sit down in him face, him just say my baby mother never tell you that. Bro, no. Him say Pig City I'm turf. You can't just say Pig City I'm a turf and hold it there. So if you are going to say Pig City are your turf, big up some place down at Pig City and call out the people them down there where you back it if you prove say you have straight. Anybody me can simply say Bambury are my place. Cause Bambury my born and grow. Does that mean that I have strength in Bambury? If me go say Bambury, I go say Victoria, Acton, Church Lane, round a one part, big up man like Bag and Pan. Me have to say something, me have to big up some place in my place. If you can say me strength, that them powers, that them place there. You have to talk some place in your place where you come from, where your strength there. You have to talk where your powers them there. Make the people them from down there say, yeah man, down here so for true, bro. You can't just jump and say, I'm a place, and people just say, oh yeah, okay, we prove it. The man literally came out and purport that. And this is something that, as a gangster, you see your home ground or your home ground. You can't say you're bad and the place where you come from, you not have no strength there. You understand me I say? You can't say you're bad and the place that you come from, your born ground, you don't have no strength there. Joke thing, bro. Masicka, me expect better than you.
Oh my God. Say, what I don't like about Tamale, in a backlash. I'm in a business if you don't want to vex and want to cuss and say, may I be biased or whatever. What I do not like about Tamale involve everybody in the war. Why? The man doesn't involve everybody in the war. And this is what I try to show now and understand what Tamale are doing. Tamale are playing mind games in the war. Tamale, and this is the thing now. For the people who don't know, let me play back that part here again. 3 different things happened a while ago with that one line there. 3 different things. 3 different things happened a while ago with that one line there.
You never write a paragraph, much less a song. Well, I guess so. But the good thing about it, my mother sent me to a good school. And I never waste my time when I go to school. So the education I get allow me to have good critical thinking skills. 3 things that my while ago in another song. The man say, from Denmark or box you, when I see you. The man basically show you say, Demarco, who is an unproblematic artist, this you and get away with it for one. Wanna remember how the previous song, excuse me, the previous song when him play the excerpt from Sting when him say, when Tommy Lee say, a Demarco and Masicka round their fight. And the man say my informer because him call Demarco and Masicka name to the people them say them a fight. You remember that in the previous song? You remember that in the previous song? Who remember that? The man literally use what Masicka play to kill Masicka. Or to shoot off a Masicka. The man use what Masicka. So Masicka put something, go look for something, download it, the producer put it, mix it in the rhythm, in the song. And the man use the something where you put in the song. That's how I tell you, say you have to counteract everything as a war artist. You have to counteract. You watch the video? No. Him get the box so easy yourself. What I'm trying to say is this, bro. The man use it and counteract it back, brother. The man say, from the man start it off, yo, this is what I try to show about creativity in our war, you know, bro. Yo, it's not only about those lyrics, you have to say things. Even, and then the fuck up part about it, you say, anybody will never even know about the box, guess what them are going to do? Them are going to search to say, did Demarco really and truly box Masicka for true? Did Demarco and Masicka really did war for true? That did really go on, like people are going to question it. And from you put the thought of questioning in it, any song of Masicka come out, him have to fucking address this now, bro. Come again. Bumbleclot. Oh my God. No, them clash song are long do. A 5 minute song, you know. Here come the beating allegations again. The man say, backstage them beat you. I know me that. So the badness where you speak of, you don't mean that. That's a fucking bar. That's a fucking bar. My coconut water done already, dog. I should take up 2. I swear to God, bro. I should take up 2 coconut water, bro. That is a bar. That is a bar. The bar, they might come rapid burst as I do, man. I don't tell a lie. Oh, fuck. Have the demon voice and him have the normal voice. The first 2 songs them Tamale sing him singing at the demon voice and everybody balls say them can't hear shit to him and say oh we can't understand what you say. And the man come here so with that song and the man dash the demon voice and just use the demon voice to the ad-lib them and the man come with him normal voice so there is nobody who can say alright. If you cannot hear what Tamale say in this song too, if you can't hear what Tamale say, send a rose. If you can't hear what Tamale say, send a like a TikTok ball. If you hear it clearly, no. If you can't hear what Tamale say, send a rose. If you can't hear what I say, send a like a TikTok ball. Because all around that jump up and say, oh, you cannot hear what Tamale say, and they might talk up in their nose, and you can't hear and this and that and that and that. I don't know why. But the man literally listen to all of the fucker them when people attack and the man come the man even come contradict the fucking crowd. All the fans them the man come contradict. Remember Masicka say, me can't hear nothing the way I say cause your mouth full up a cum. And the man say, alright, you can't hear, you must hear this now. The man slow down what I say. The man make sure say with clarity, with diction and everything. Dog, I don't know what go on here, brother. But Masicka can't sit out that one and play big and play tough and I am mighty now, you know. You can't play big and I am mighty now. That is so fucking disrespectful though. That's so fucking disrespectful though. That is so fucking disrespectful though. That is so fucking disrespectful. Man, a business I don't want to say, no, brother. That is so disrespectful. Him should not go there, so. First of all, I know say no founders pussy love talk about say, oh, a one flow Masicka have, a one flow. The same thing you see the same thing where people say, family, you can't hear what I say. At the same dunceness when a man say, Masicka have one flow. Masicka don't have one flow. How only different flow Masicka have? It's just that Masicka has such a unique voice that when he must sing and he must harmonize, it sounds similar, but a different flow. But I understand the family do a while ago still. I understand the family. Same way like how Masicka jump and say, can't hear what you say, I'm listening and can't hear. Same way pussy. I want flow you have your afraid of time property tax. So the man them does have be petty now. The man them does have be fucking petty now, brother. The same way how Masicka use what the crowd has say against Tamili, are the same way Tamili use what the crowd has say against Masicka. And that was very beautifully done, I must say. Well composed, well executed. One flow you're living on, you're afraid of proper. This is so fucking, oh my God, I need to stop. Come in. Neutral. So much name calling, so much fucking name calling, brother. So much name calling. Who is the brother boss? Who is the brother boss? Who is the brother boss, guys? I don't know, and I'm not gonna say anything else. I'm not gonna say it, but why would Tamili do that though? Why would he do that though? Why am gonna just say Alka boss? Why am I disrespect the man like that? Why Tamili does a pick choose violence right through? Why? Why are you doing this, Tamili? A Christmas are coming up, bro. Jamaica just suffered such a traumatic event. A hurricane just ravaged Jamaica. Destroyed so many people are homeless. So many people in Jamaica are without light, roof, running water, food, and the necessary amenities. It is Christmas. We're already having a very traumatic Christmas. Why you're fucking with every bumbleclot body, Tamili? Why you doing it? Why the fuck you doing it? Tamili, you know, Tamili just come like them bad bumbleclad people, them brother, with us none fucking ears, none manners. And you just can't left them now by them bumbleclad say if you ever come back and the house burn down, brother. The man does not fucking behavior, bro. The man have no behavior, bro. How the fuck? Alkaline, why you insinuate or try to inveigle the man? Why you fuck with the man for, brother? Why the fuck you fuck? And you know say Alkaline fans them not like you. Why the fuck you do that, brother? Why you do it? You know the man them don't like you, brother. The people them do not like you already. Tommy, you done a fight against the whole Masicka fans them. Why you go fast with bumbleclad? Vendetta fans them. Why you fast with the man them for, bro? Why you fast with the vendetta? Why you never need? There is no need. Cause the song are going good. The song are going good. The previous song before, you diss friggin' Idonia unnecessarily, uncalled for, unprovoked. Idonia they on tour right now. Somewhere in a road, a big girl a ball out and a scream film, take off him shirt and a fling it the girl. Unprovoked. And you fuck with Idonia in the previous song. And then this is song you know. You come fuck with Alkaline. Why? Alkaline there's somewhere in the world in a wear Balenciaga. And I fuck up people. The man not give Alkaline don't even give a fuck about fucking Jamaica. The man don't business. The man not business about we don't you know what is Alkaline does left Jamaica and say no go on with it. I'm not give off me not be once in every 10 years. Once in every 10 years. The man come to Jamaica, come do something for him fans them. Why the fuck you call the man name in the place? The man no business about we don't here, bro. You see if you lose a war, I discard if you lose a war. I can tell you the truth. Somebody say him, the man this don't ya, dog. Me sure if you ask Idonia, or ask anybody from over 4th generation, them take that as a disrespect. Him set up Masicka, set up Masicka how? Well, to be honest, you know, true, you know, him set up Masicka, this is for true still. There's a set up for Masicka for true, everything about it for true. It set up Masicka, but it also a fuck with Alkaline too. Because if Alkaline answer, Tamale can shoot off for Alkaline. And it will give Tamale more content for the Christmas and for the 2026. However, if Masicka does not answer to that line in the song, it is going to prove Tamale's point that him is a coward for true. If him don't answer to the line there, him I go prove say him fumble up for true. So it's a two-sided trap the man set right this, you know. Me take back what me say first. 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 When me did say a fuckery, me take back what me say. It's smart. Me take back what me say. The more me think about it, the smarter it look to me for sure. It's a chess move. Me I think about it as draft, but it's a chess move. The more me think about it, and the more sense it make. The more me think about it, and the more sense it make for sure, bro. I understand what I do. He might try to provoke the Vendetta fans them to start make enough noise so Alkaline can hear and say something. But the thing is, Alkaline is not really a man with easily for draw out, you know. That like one line then I go fuck with now go make Alkaline run out on him. That one line then I go make Alkaline be kissing teeth and run if that. But Masicka have to answer the fan there. Masicka have to answer the line there. And if Masicka answer the line there, and not this Alkaline straight, because him can't come and say Vendetta boss again, you know. Him can't come say Brata boss, you know. If him come and go like him a try to do no subliminal this to Alkaline right there, so him a gonna lose points for that. If him a come out and come answer the line, him a figure this Alkaline brawling. Pumbok, hey, Tamale, too sick, hey. Me underestimate Tamale in the warrior, dog. I swear to God, dog. I swear to God. Me feel like his main objective is not to draw out Alkaline, because anybody with sense, because as I said, when the more me think about it and the more critical and the more me analyze it, him saying that he knows that Alkaline now go fall upon him, because Alkaline have a super ego, you know. Alkaline feel like he is way up here. Him now go answer Tamale because Alkaline feel like he's up here and Tamale is down here. Him now go look down upon Tamale have to go thump little higher for Alkaline answer. However, even if Alkaline feel idle and answer Tamale, it's still a plus for Tamale. But him with the right ya so and make the Alkaline mention there to Masicka with the right ya so. Him basically push Masicka head up to look on Alkaline now, you know. Masicka is caught between a rock and a hard place. It's a damned if you do and damned if you don't. Because if he doesn't address that line, it is going to cement or it is going to cartify the notion that he is really a coward and afraid of Alkaline. Also, if he is damned if he does, because if he actually does and come out, him a figure inexplicably
Put in the comment section if you agree with him. I think he should come back and call everybody's name in a disrespectful matter. I really set off the thing, you see, Mas. But until then, well, I guess we just have to wait, you see me? Anyway, the people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.